This is a Holmes branded WCI air conditioner. It's a 5200 BTU. Has a Macmillan fan motor, which I've never seen in an air conditioner before. The condenser is in need of a good combing. It's not too dirty, really. It's in pretty good shape. It is missing one of the knobs, but I'll find a replacement for that. Has an LG compressor, which is nice, so I just took it apart to clean it. The filter was pretty clean when I got it, so this thing has been taken, decent care of, which is good. And the condenser actually doesn't look too dirty, so that's good. But I'm going to clean it out anyway. The Holmes 5200 BTU air conditioner is all cleaned and put back together. There's still some tape residue on there, and I'm probably going to have to put more tape on because this cover is kind of loose. The clips, I think, are broken. But yeah, I've never seen a Holmes window air conditioner before anywhere. There's no pictures online of them, and there's no videos on YouTube. So these are pretty rare. Again, like I said before, this is made by WCI, same company that made the one that I made a video of last. Holmes products, 5200 BTU, 6.2 amps. So, yeah, this actually draws more power than the Sears WCI, which is I believe a higher BTU, slightly higher BTU rating. So this one's not too efficient, but I don't care. And this was made in April of 1996. Again, it has an LG compressor and a Macmillan fan motor, which I have never seen in an air conditioner before. So running this heater to warm up the thermocouple. It is missing a knob. I am going to be replacing this knob with something, because you can actually find these online. And but yeah, I'll be replacing that. The switch or whatever that goes to the vent is broken, so you can't open and close that. And then this is working the way it's supposed to. Well, sort of. But anyway, it's not in terrible shape. This side is just fine. This side it got a little bit of a dent, but I can fix that. So I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit longer, and then we'll start it up. Let me turn the heater off for a second, and I'll start it up on a fan just so you can hear it. It's pretty quiet. That's high. Blows a good amount of air. Medium. And low. Low is super quiet, and it's still putting out a good breeze. I took the knob off the thermostat and put it on the speed selector, so that's already set on the coldest temperature. So I'm going to run this heater again and try and get that thermostat to click, and we'll start the compressor. Okay, the thermostat is finally clicking. So we'll take this knob off of here, put it on here, and we'll start the compressor. starting to get a little bit cool. Got it on high right now. It's getting nice and cold. The compressor's a little noisy, but maybe that'll go away. But it definitely works. So I'm happy about that. Okay, the compressor quieted way down. It's still running. Now it seems to be getting a little louder again, so that was weird. But it's definitely cooling nice. It's still quieter than the way it was before when I first started it, but see how many amps we're pulling. 4.44, and that's on high cool. Compressor quieted down when I turned it on high. It's still running. Here's our amp drawn low cool. Alright, well that'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching.